Hello, I'm going to show you how to use transitions in a Google slide. So transitions are different from animations in that transition is basically the transition between one slide to another, whereas an animation is activity that happens within a slide. But technically a transition still is a kind of animation, so they end up in the same tool in here, which can be found up here in Slide and then Change Transition. So it opens up the animations pane, but the very top little box here is your transition. So it says slide, and it's going to fade into the next one currently. This is actually the transition area. Down here, and all the things that you might add here, are your animations, and you can add animations down there. I'll just get rid of that one. But right now we're going to be editing just the transition. So the default is for it to just fade into the next slide at, what is it set at here? 0.3 seconds or so. You can change that to whatever you like. You don't want that to be too long or it gets annoying. So just like PowerPoint and Keynote, there's a few different options here. You can have it slide from the right, flip, cube. A note of suggestion. Anyways, about some of these crazier transitions. They are annoying for audiences if they happen over and over again for every slide. It gets irritating, and so think about what is your purpose of using them. One great purpose is if you have a whole bunch of slides about one particular issue, and then you move on to a different section. An animation that kind of changes it up, flips things around, actually has meaning then. So it indicates that you're moving on to a different topic, and then it's actually helpful. But if it's just to make things pretty and fun, well, it doesn't really work. It usually ends up just bothering people. So if you do pick an animation here and you do want it to apply to all slides, there's a little button here that will apply to all. But I'd suggest not doing that and selecting just key slides that you'd want to do something different on. And of course there's always the preview button here so you can see what it looks like to your audience. So that's pretty much it. So have fun with transitions in Google Slides. Thanks.